Right, g'day folks, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Now, it's just a quick video today. As you can see, I've got the SCX24 and the Element Enduro24, but I've also got my 3D printed crawler course layout, as you can see there. So what we're going to do, we're going to take both rigs, we're going to take them over the course and we're going to see how they get on and see how they compare to each other. Now, the 3D printed crawler course pieces are designed for both 1/18 and 1/24 size rigs, so there might be a couple of parts on there where the smaller wheelbase of the 1/24 will suffer, but we'll see how they get on. It just adds to the fun, I guess. It doesn't need to be too easy, but enough waffle, let's crack on. Alright, so we'll start with the SCX24, might as well, and here we go, over the cubes of doom to start. Nice. That's nicely done onto the roller. Now we'll bring it around the bank turn. This is going to make it in one. Let's try and get up the bank a little bit. Okay. Well, there's the bank anyway. Let's line it up for the stairs. Let's take it up the stairs. Now this is where it's going to start getting a little bit tricky when we go onto the orange piece, because of the wheelbase of the actual rig itself. Let's give it a go. I'm not making excuses. Easy. Change the camera angle slightly and you can see what I'm dealing with. Oh, I've lost the back wheel. Let's see if we can get it back up. Alright, you can just about see in there that the back wheel, the back right hand wheel is just hanging. But let's see if we can pull that back. No, we've lost it. Okay, let's have another go. This is where the sort of wider track of a 1/16 rig would come in handy on this obstacle, because as soon as the wheels go up, we lose it on the inside, and then I lose sight of that rear wheel. Oh, and we've lost it again. We've lost it, but we'll keep going. A slightly different camera angle. That back wheel is hanging again off the back there. I think that's going to be our downfall. If I can get the wheel up there. Well, bear in mind, this is the first time I've run these obstacles. Now we start back again on the roller. Let's see if we can get onto this one. Nice. Okay, so far so good. Easy does it. Move the camera slightly. A bit annoying, I've only got the one camera, so you got to bear with me on that one. And we're over. And we're off. That wasn't actually too bad for the SCX24. bit more practice and I think we'll get there, but this is my first go on it. Now let's get the element on the go. Alright, so back in then for the element on the Cubes of Doom. The Axial SCX24 had no issue with these. I can't see them giving any issue to the element also. Interesting. Oh, there we go. The Proline tyres found some grip after all. Alright, so onto this roller. Again, this is just a drive over job, but there we go. Into the bank turn. Let's try and go around the turn a bit more. Better than the... okay. Alright, let's set it up for the steps. Right, this section for the SCX, this gave me a lot of trouble. I'd be surprised if we make it over in one. It's not going well. Not going well at all. Let's regroup. Get that wheel on there. Oh, electronics are a bit more jerky in the element than the SCX, that's for sure. Just haven't got that low down control that the other one's got. But we're going wrong completely. If I can just... oh, I don't know. No, we're wrong. Right, I think the wheelbase on the smaller 124 scales is slightly not wide enough for that one obstacle. So let's get it on this rollers and see what we can do. Oh, come on. That's nice. That was actually nicer than the SCX24. Nicely onto these. Oh, come on, first go. Nice. Nice-ish. No, not nice. That was so close to getting over and onto that second to last piece first time. But I think this is where the Proline tyres on the element are just gripping. But the longer wheelbase of the Axial might just give it. The electronics, there's a lot of... you've got to give it a lot of finger before you can get any movement with the element. So the control just isn't there, as opposed to the Spectrum electronics in the SCX24. But let's carry on. Or it could just be my driving, to be fair, but no, I gave it a bit of a helper. And I got the front wheels up on this obstacle here. Let's see if we can just drag the rears over there without it all falling again. Come on. Oh, I've lost the front. There we go. There we go. And down. Right, so it's only a short video, this one, and really it was just giving me an opportunity to test out these new 3D printed crawler pieces, which so far so good, it worked out pretty well. So happy with that. I think the SCX24 had the edge over the element. I believe most of it was down to the lack of low down control. The element has got nice low down control, but the SCX24's just that bit smoother. But that's why you pay just that bit more for the car. I'm not going to say this was twice the price of this, but you know, we're looking 100 for that, 60 for that one. So yeah, so far so good. I'll be back. We'll do some more of these. I'll set these up again and we'll get the SCX over the paper mache course, but only a quick one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.